Hey, what's up? I am Tron Moses of Tron Moses Media, and today I want to tell you how I made $2,000 to $4,000 every month for 3 years on YouTube. Let's get into it. All right, so this is how it started. I had a photography channel, not this channel. I had a photography channel that I posted one or two videos on. And honestly, that video received, one video, and it received some serious backlash. I mean, people were aiming for my head on that video. I had a lot of comments, but the stuff was bad comments. I don't know. I wasn't a horrible photographer. I don't know. Maybe I don't remember what the comments was, but it was something in there that they did not like. And I didn't edit the video. The guy that shot the video for me, he had his nephew edit it, and the video don't have any photos in it. And I don't want to stay too long on that, but that's what the channel originally was. The channel was originally my photography channel, but since it received backlash, I made those videos private. And what I started doing was I put a couple of preaching videos on there. Now understand this, I put a couple of preaching videos on there, but I did not put them on there for other people. I was not looking for subscribers. I put those preaching videos on that channel for me to have later. Bishop Michael Blue was on the Word Network, not the network, TBN preaching, praise the Lord. So I put that video on there. I put a couple of other videos on there. Then all of a sudden, people were subscribing. It still wasn't a bunch of subscribers. Then I put this one prophet on there, and people were subscribing left and right. Before you knew it, I had 1,000 subscribers. I had 2,000, 3,000. I mean, the channel was blowing up. Now understand this, I still at this point, I'm still putting preaching videos on my channel, but it's just for me. I'm not looking for subscribers. So a bunch of people started subscribing to the channel. The more videos I put on there, now I'm putting a bunch of videos on the channel for other people. And I'm going to fast forward a little bit. The channel was blowing up. I eventually hit 10,000, hit 20,000 and stuff. And one day this woman said to me on Twitter, she asked me about monetization. Now, monetization was something I really didn't know nothing about. I heard about it, but it wasn't something that I focused on. And I told her, she asked me a question about it, and I said, oh, I don't know. And she's like, hold up. All those subscribers you got, and you ain't got your channel monetized? So after she said that, I'm the type of person, like the Bible says, a wise man will hear and increase learning. I always been that person. Somebody said something to me and I didn't know about it, I'll go look it up myself and get a better understanding of it. So that's what I did. I went and looked it up myself, and then next thing you know, I monetized the channel. Then the first amount that I received, which was shocking to me, it was $230-something. And I remember that first time. I don't remember every single time, but I remember that first time was $230-something. And guess what? I monetized the channel near the end of the month. So that money came just like that. So the next month, I'm on YouTube and I'm watching the money go up, go up, and go up, and go up, and go up. And I'm be honest with you, I could not believe it. I'm sitting there watching the money go up and go up and go up and go up. And then next thing you know, I'm making $1,000 a month. Then I go to $2,000 a month. Eventually reach $4,000 and change. So the channel was making a lot of money. Now understand, my purpose for putting videos on YouTube was originally for me. I wasn't doing it for other people. I wasn't doing it to get paid. I didn't know nothing about monetization. I saw something about it, but I still didn't have an understanding of it. I put it that way. I knew about it, but did not have an understanding of it. And I did not research it. I did not look into it. The channel is blowing up. I'm putting videos on there every day. I'm downloading videos from Periscope. I'm getting videos maybe from other places here and there, getting videos from where I can get videos. Plus, let me tell you, I had a large video collection anyway of Dr. Juanita Bynum. I had over 200 DVDs of hers that I purchased between her videos and the videos that she did when she was married to Bishop Weeks at that church. And even before that church in Atlanta, the church in Washington, D.C. when they got married. So combining that stuff and the stuff I already had with her, I had over 200 DVDs. And so I was putting that stuff on there too. And people were subscribing. The channel was hitting 30,000, 40,000, people commenting. People still didn't know the face. I had a picture on there, but I don't think you could have saw it that good. People still didn't know the face, but they knew the name. So I was connecting with people, and I was hired to take photos at a conference with Apostle John Eckhart, Sophia Ruffin, Dr. Kimberly Daniels, and some other people. So I did that conference. And let me tell you, I remember walking with my sister and this other girl, and we were walking, and my name was on my shirt, on the back of my shirt, on the back of it. Yeah. And this girl said, "Try Moses." And I jumped. Because people really didn't know the face, but my name was on the shirt. So even at the conference, working the conference and going around taking pictures and stuff, people saw the shirt and they knew the name. I remember going to the bathroom, and I was waiting to go to the bathroom, and I came out of the bathroom, and there was a line of people I thought was going to the bathroom. The line was there to talk to me. Ain't that crazy? It was a line of women there to talk to me. And when I say talk to me, I ain't talking about like to get with me, to conversate with me. This woman was talking to me. I finished talking to her to buy. The next woman comes, she talking to me, and she put $100 in my hand. So immediately what I did was, the hand she put the $100 in, I tried to grab her hand with that hand and pray over the $100. She said, "No, I ain't taking it back." I said, "I'm not giving it back." That's crazy. I'm not giving it back. So we prayed over the $100. I talked to the other people in line that was waiting. They all wanted to talk to me. And so the channel put my name out there. Now people had a face with the name. And so the channel was monetized, and I was living off the channel for 3 years. I bought a car off that channel. I bought photography equipment off that channel. When I say I bought a car off that channel, I don't mean I saved up and bought a car. I meant when the check came from YouTube, every month on the 21st or 22nd, one of those, there was a nice amount, bow, went and bought a car. And like I said, I was living off YouTube. I bought photography equipment off YouTube. I ate off YouTube. I paid bills off YouTube. I did everything off YouTube. And I did this for 3 years. But then one day, and I'm making this all brief, I'm trying to breeze through it because I already told you how I made the money, and the channel eventually reached 53 at its height, 53,000 subscribers. Then I started taking people off the channel because weird stuff was going on. And then eventually, one day I got a notification that YouTube demonetized my channel. They demonetized my channel. Now, let me tell you, do you know how that feel when you getting $2,000 to $4,000 every month for not really doing much work? You know, I'm loading videos. That's not a lot of work. You know how that feel when you find out now you demonetized? That's like being out of nowhere, you fired. You fired and you living off this. Well, this is your main income. Doing photography, but this is your main source of income, steady. Photography wasn't steady. This was steady every month. And then YouTube demonetized the channel. I ain't gonna lie, I was disappointed. And by the way, there was a lot of copycat channels too. There was a lot of channels that took from my channel. I'm getting ready to go back to where I was, but there was a lot of channels that took from my channel. How I know that? Because some of the videos that I had DVDs for, before I put them online, I put my name on it. So before I put it online, I put my name down here at the bottom. Tron Moses. So I saw a lot of videos out there with my name on it. I even saw videos that was cropped where they tried to get my name on it, but I knew the video came from me because it was cropped weird. And I knew where I put my name at. So there was a lot of copycat channels. There was a lot of channels that watched my channel to get stuff from my channel. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, YouTube demonetized the channel because the content wasn't mine. And that's how that all ended. And then kind of Periscope anyway, I feel like it was dying down anyway. So really, it was time to come to an end. Periscope was dying down. I didn't really watch Periscope as much. A lot of people was moving over to Facebook. Really. A lot of people was moving over, leaving Periscope, then going with Facebook. But when Periscope first came around, Periscope was the thing. Even if people was going on Facebook doing stuff, it wouldn't have meant nothing because at the time, Periscope was the thing. And we know that nothing is the thing forever. I'm going to be honest with you. Nothing is the thing forever. Because we remember, MySpace was the thing one time. Facebook became the thing. And Facebook is not going to always be the thing. Instagram is not going to always be the thing. So anyway, that started dying down. And so I eventually stopped getting videos. The channel died down. And what happened was I changed what was on the channel. I got rid of all the preaching videos because they said it wasn't my content, which it wasn't. It wasn't. So I got rid of all those videos, and then me and my wife started putting vlog videos on there. So before I even did that, I told the subscribers, look, this channel's getting ready to change, and I know y'all subscribe for one reason, and this is something honest that you should do. You should tell the people, because they subscribe for one reason. Now, they didn't subscribe to see me. They didn't subscribe to see me and my wife hanging, chilling out, and doing vlogs. They subscribe to see these preachers. So I told them, y'all can go ahead and unsubscribe because this channel is about to be this. And a lot of people did. And that didn't hurt me because I know that they didn't come to see us. And so anyway, y'all, that's the story. That's the story of how I made $2,000 to $4,000 every month on YouTube for 3 years. Anyway, I'm Tron Moses. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm ready to get something to eat. See you next time.